So friends, this is the Spot Guy. What we're going to talk about today is Jacuzzi Premium Air Control, what I call a push button or an air button. It's not an air button in the sense that you push it and it turns a pump on and off. It's an air button in the sense you turn it and it adds air or takes air away in the Venturi system on a Jacuzzi Premium hot tub. The button looks like that right there, and you simply push it and air comes or air goes, depending on how you turn it on. So stay tuned, and I'm going to show you here. We're going to take one apart here on the table, and then we're going to replace one actually in a Jacuzzi Premium hot tub. So stay tuned, friends. All right, friends, this is the Spot Guy, and it's cold in here, so that's why I've got my thing on here. But what we're talking about is Jacuzzi Premium buttons. This button right here goes on the top, and you can hear it makes a clicking sound. Now what will happen is the part that's inside of it will break. So when you buy the valve, you really don't need this part of it, but they don't sell the guts of it without this. So to do this, I'm going to show you how to do it. So when you know that this thing's got a problem, you see that this thing's drawing air right here on both sides. When I hit the button, it should turn the air off, and it's not doing anything. It's not changing. So what I'm going to do is change the guts of this thing. So we're going to take that off. We're going to take that out. We're going to take the insides out. That right there. Now I'm going to take the brand new valve. I'm going to pull the guts out of it with this. And I'm also going to change the bottom part. You can see you got the little check valve right there. So I'm going to take a screwdriver and pull the check valve out, drop that in. Make sure you get it right side up. That right there. New spring. New cap, and see how pretty that is. So now we turn it on. You see it. It's not drawing air right there. Turn this on. It's on. That's what you know. That's when you know it is working. So before, there's something wrong. So there's something wrong inside of this part of it that is no longer turning the air off, and that's how you fix it. It's just that simple. So you're not going to use this part of it. You don't have to take the side off, take the plumbing out. You can just pull the guts out of it, switch it, and solve your issue with the Jacuzzi Premium. I'm the Spot Guy, and I don't know much, but I do know hot tubs. Make sure you click the link and go to Hot Tub Parts of America and buy this valve. Go there now.